How to prepare files for channel letter bending machines. Open your CorelDRAW software. Create a new document and rename it. Design your file, for example, HIHGHTECH. Adjust the font size, and file size as needed. Remove the color from your design by left-clicking, and add a border by right-clicking on the color. Select the text and convert it to curves by right-clicking and choosing Convert to Curves. To export the file, click File and then Export or press CTRL+E. Choose DXF as the export format. Ensure the export version is correct, set the units to millimeters, and export text as curves. Click OK to export. Click File and then Export or press CTRL+E. Select AI as the export format. Ensure the text is exported as curves. Click OK to export. Click File and then Export or press CTRL+E. Choose BLT as the export format. Set the units to millimeters. Click Advanced. Change curve resolution from inches to millimeters and set the value to 0, regardless of any automatic changes. Click OK to export. All three files are now successfully exported for use with our bending machines. Note: each machine requires a specific design file. After confirming with our after-sales service, export your file to save time and achieve the best results.